Had a student's payment fail and then spent days waiting for a support reply? Most processors bury you in ticket threads instead of solving the issue fast. Here's a quick way to stay on top of your course payment issues. Open a Google Sheet and log each problem. When it happened, which platform it was on, and how long it took to get a response. You will start to notice patterns, like repeated payout delays or the same issues going unresolved. But even with tracking, you're still stuck waiting on those automated tickets and long queues before anything gets fixed. That's where EasyPay Direct changes the game. Instead of waiting for ticket numbers, you get a direct line to your dedicated rep, someone who knows your business and can resolve payment problems right away. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check how their personal support and merchant tools keep your payments running smoothly. Stop wasting time chasing support tickets. With EasyPay Direct, real people handle your payment issues fast, so you can focus on your students, not your support inbox. Click the link in the description to get started today.